We're making flourless egg white keto pie crust. Let's go! Some of you know that I've been experimenting with powdered or finely grated cheese for a while now, and this recipe is 4 ingredients and the pie crust came out really great. In this video you will see me bake a pie crust, which is the base, a topper, and we'll do a little bit of design so you have the options of how you want to make your pie. Now I know a lot of you are going to ask about the filling, but I am going to release 4 recipes later this week and give you some options. This one in particular will be a creamy chicken and mushroom, and you'll see how beautiful that turns out. Your shopping list and nutritional information is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. Grease a pie dish by adding half a teaspoon of olive oil and spreading it onto the base and up the sides. Then set aside. To a bowl, add 2 egg whites or 60 grams worth if you're using carton egg whites, then 180 grams of finely grated or powdered cheese, 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder and 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. Mix that all together and keep kneading until you can form a ball of dough. Cut that into 2 parts. Then between 2 sheets of parchment or baking paper, roll out 1 part as thin as possible. Place the sheet of dough into the pie dish, then press it in, and you should have enough to fill right up to the sides. Trim the edges, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for about 14 minutes, and this is what it should look like. You will notice it's puffed up a little, so do press it back down into the dish, and no, docking the base beforehand didn't work for me, so I did this instead. Add your filling, and this is a creamy chicken and mushroom. Add your pie topper, trim off the edges, and with the leftovers I just made a few leaves to cover any imperfections. Same temperature and bake for about 10 minutes, and ta-da! This is how my pie turned out. Let's cut into this now so you can get an idea of the texture of the dough and how well it holds the filling. With the gorgeous keto pie crust, you can let your imagination run wild and make your own filling. Please feel free to send me some photos of your creativity on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.